Hi, welcome to the installation segment of the Noritz America Tankless Water Heater video series. Today we're going to be retrofitting a standard 40-gallon tank type water heater with the Noritz 6.9 series tankless water heater. Today we have Jason, one of our professional installers, to assist with the installation. Hi Jason.
Hey Kevin.
Why don't you tell us what you're going to do today?
Okay. Basically we're going to do a residential retrofit application where we're removing an actual gas tank water heater and replacing it with the tankless gas type water heater. On this installation, I've spoke with the actual homeowner. We've gone over a few different scenarios of how the installation could take place. What he wants to do is he wants to actually put it on that back wall, utilizing quite a bit of space over here for storage. One way to do it is actually an installation outside that minimizes the actual venting installation. You can mount a unit right on the other side of this walls, limiting also the plumbing and how much that has to be done on the retrofit. We have decided to keep it indoors because of space on the outside and the side walkway, and put it right against this side wall, and then venting it through the soffit out to the outside. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the water heater, so it gives us a chance to actually open up the ceiling above it to assess the plumbing, see what we can do to actually do the installation. Now that we have removed the gas line, the water lines, the venting, and the earthquake straps, now we can lug this old thing out of here. Opening up the ceiling, we have assessed that we can vent the venting up through the ceiling and do a horizontal termination out to the outside. We've also opened up the ceiling for the gas and have assessed there is an 1.25 inch line available that we can tap into and bring a 3/4 line down to the unit. If we hadn't had enough gas existing in the home, we would have had to pull a dedicated gas line. That's where we tap into the actual gas meter and bring over a dedicated gas in the appropriate size and length that we actually need for the new installation. We lucked out, we have enough gas, so we're just going to pull it from the existing location. Refer to the actual owner's manual showing you the gas pipe sizing chart. You can get the sizing chart right off of Noritz America's website in PDF form, and it also comes with every Noritz unit that you purchase. Another installation requirement is that the units require a combustible air intake. If there's not adequate air going into the location where you're installing the Noritz unit, you can consider it a direct vent unit which has its own combustible air intake. We've drilled a hole from the inside to the outside, marking where the termination is going to be. It's vital that you pay attention to the termination because there's code that requires a certain amount of distance from either doors, windows, or combustible air intake. The code states that you have to be 4 feet away from a door, a window, or combustible air intake unless you're 1 foot above it, like we have done here with this door. Put a bead of silicone around the wall thimble, keeping the moisture out due to weather. Just insert it in there. I've already pre-inserted stucco anchors into the wall, so we'll have something to screw to. Those just line up. Take outdoor grade screws. And one in each corner. And that's it for the thimble. We've installed the actual through the wall thimble. That's what we did outside. Now we're ready to do the inside portion of it. We have a Noritz 90-degree elbow right here. We're going to insert into the through the wall thimble. And the neat feature about the Noritz venting is the snap feature. There's no hose clamps or tabs to bend over. You just insert the product in until you hear a snap, and then you know it's secure. And we'll do that now. Just like that. With the installation of the fire stop and then the adjustable vent section, we're done with actual venting. If you notice, the adjustable venting allows us to come down on top of the unit, meeting the 1-foot combustible clearances on top of the Noritz unit. Lifting one of these Noritz water heaters is a lot easier than lifting out that old tank water heater. Now that I got the boards mounted and the ventings installed, we can lift the unit up on the mounting screw and hang it just like a pitcher. And then just slide the venting right into place. Level it up, screw it in, and then you're done. In the installation of the gas, we chose to run it inside the wall due to the fact that we had the soffit to actually run it from overhead down on the actual plumb wall that we're installing the unit. As it comes out right here, I've already installed my gas valve, and we'll be hooking the track pipe right up to that. And that's it for the gas line.